I don't know how many of our followers or who would be watching this video are into fishing, hiking, or vlogging. Well, if you're one of those people, here we are reviewing this POV camera from the brand called AngelEye. It claims to be the lightest POV camera at just 32 grams. You can wear it like this and basically shoot videos or pictures hands-free. This product is doing a different approach from those smart glasses or some POV cameras, as the camera is more prominent, as you can see, but after some tests, the usability is the major highlight, I would say. If you're interested, you can head to the Kickstarter page for more info. Next up, let's unbox it. Now, usually for Kickstarter project, we may not receive the complete package, or many things will be just 3D printed. For this one, I would say it is the most completed so far. You have the nice box here, and then the camera and the headband. There's the charging cable, a lanyard, a small adapter, and 2 rubber case for the camera. The only thing missing is the user manual. I'm sure it won't be long before it's done. As for the whole structure of it, I think it is very clever. The camera is shaped like a mini light with a few buttons on it. And then the headband provides the frame for it. There's a touch control area for change the settings. A single tap, double tap, or swipe can get to different options. And since there isn't any screen on it, the content will be broadcast to your ears. The camera and the band connects to each other by the magnets and a hook. It is very secured, I can confirm. Without the band, you can also use it as it is and secure it with the lanyard. It is extremely more convenient than any camera, or even than the DJI Pocket, I would say. The first benefit of having such a camera is, of course, the first-person view without holding a camera. Even for just fulfilling a single purpose, like shooting a video, you need to hold your phone. But with these, you can just tap a button on the device, then it will start recording. And the other way is to hold it with just 32 grams in your hand. I'm sure you can use it for a long time. The camera is a 48 megapixel one, capable of recording video quality up to 4K, and the resolution of the picture can be up to 48 megapixel also. Of course, when you have a camera like this, fishing is one of the best situations to use it. Get a fresh look at the water and sit back and just wait for the fish to come up. Once there's a fish, this camera will be able to capture that exciting moment. Even if it is a single camera, it can still get the best shot of something far or very close. I ride my electric moped to work every day, and if I want to record a day in a live video, this can help a lot. When putting it on my head, it can take some clips of me riding at the first-person view. Then if I want to put it on the bike, then a small piece of adapter that is included can do the job. With a tripod and adapter, you can either take some clips of the road or some of your face. And since it is super light, you don't feel stressed playing with the bulky camera equipment. And if you're into some DIY work, like assembling some toys, it is also a good tool to shoot some good POV angle. In this kind of scenario, a lightweight camera dedicated to it is extremely useful. Every detail is recorded and there isn't any big bulky camera blocking your sight. But since it is located at the side, if you want some really close-up shot of the content, you may want to hold it against the camera at the right direction. So as you can see, the camera is capable of being a handy tool in many user scenarios. Whether you are doing outdoor sports or just love POV vlogging, it can help with those. The image quality is good while the light is sufficient, but I still want to say that when indoors with less light, the image quality is still a bit less ideal. Hope it can be better later. When you're done with filming, there's an app to manage all the files. The app is very simple and straightforward. You can get to the photo album to preview all the pictures and the videos, and also you can control the camera with the app. One thing to note though, the camera and the phone connects by Wi-Fi AP. If you're using the app, the network will be off. Now there are some small details of the camera. While filming, you can hit this button to take a snapshot, quite convenient. This grooved area works fine. Every touch will be broadcast to your ears. And it can pair with some other accessories like a tripod with a quarter screw, then you can also film yourself out there. This bit comes off, so you can either put the camera on your left ear or your right ear. The battery claims to be able to support a 90 minutes of use, and there's a 64 gigs of internal storage, so you don't need any extra accessories to do the job. One thing to note though, as for the time we are using the camera, it still cannot record sound, but the brand says it will be available soon. Now there are many forms of POV cameras on the market. They are shaped differently and positioned differently. This AngelEye POV camera is also a very good option. It is very light, just 32 grams. It's like a nothing, and it can help with the filming in many scenarios, like fishing, riding, or DIY project filming. The image quality is fine and it's very easy to use. So if you're looking for such equipment, you can head to the crowdfunding page for more info. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you soon.